Okay, remember we stopped intercompany sales part 2 with the error. So I'm going to continue with that error and see if we can finish this topic. After solving that error, I've created intercompany sales part 3. It's getting long and long, but anyway, it's good that we are encountering all this error so that we know in real life how to resolve this. Let me take it to that last screen that we stopped in part 2. We stopped at creating the billing document. Let me create it once again. Just to recap, VF01 is to create the billing document, enter the delivery document and press enter. So now we have a message here, no billing document generated, see log. So how to see the log? Go here, edit and go to log. Log is showing us some information here. Sales organization is not defined. Okay, what does this message mean? This message means, let me open up our slide, intercompany sales. Okay, this means that when company code test 2 sells the goods to our internal company code SUN to the sales organization NY, the company code test 2 itself needs a sales organization, because in SAP any sales can only be done by a sales organization. Okay, which means that even though the plant Dallas needs to sell something to even though it's an internal company SUN, it cannot do a direct sales. Plant cannot sell the goods to company code, any company codes, whether it's internal company code or external company codes. It has to be routed, the sales has to be routed through a sales organization. This is the mistake that we did, because we did not assign a sales organization to Dallas and route our internal transaction to SUN company code through the Dallas sales organization. We just created a plant, but we forgot to create a sales organization and assign to Dallas. So let us do it now. Let me draw this first. Let me make this diagram complete. So let me use blue color. Let's say we need a sales organization called Dallas. I'm running short of space, so let me try to squeeze in here. Sales org Dallas. Alright, sales org Dallas is needed. So let me see how I can improve these points here. SUN will raise, outbound delivery will be posted by Dallas test 2. Okay, now there will be a confusion between Dallas plant and Dallas sales organization. Let me see how I can change it. Probably I can rename it in this way. Let me just change this. Let me just keep that as a reference and I'll copy and paste it. Outbound delivery will be posted by Dallas. Okay, let me just change this to by plant Dallas test 2 and then copy this over and override this so it's more clear. And also I need one more amendment to do. I'll copy this and paste it here. Now for test 2, we'll create a billing document for Sun from delivery document created via Dallas sales organization. This is what we have missed in our earlier part 2 training. Let me save this. So we know that we need a Dallas sales organization. We already have a Dallas plant, but we also need a Dallas sales organization. Let's go and create it. I've already created it, but I'll show you the steps. First step is define sales organization. Just use this as a recap. You already know how to create a sales organization and assign it. Not here, sorry. You have to go to enterprise, definition, logistic general, not logistic, sorry, sales organization here. So this is where you create. Just hit new and create your sales organization for Dallas. I already created it. Let me show you. Yeah, before that, before going to these steps on creating a sales organization for Dallas and all that, let me also share with you some interesting information. I need to let you know how I found this error is by going to this table. This is a delivery table. Let me show you. This table is delivery table. Let me show it in SC11. This is the table where the deliveries are stored. LIKP, here we go. SD document delivery header data. So this is header data for delivery, and I punch in my delivery number. This is a delivery number that we are trying to generate. Execute. Double click on this. Now go here. I was checking the table fields and I noted this over here. If you look at this, sales organization is empty. Let's click F1 to understand what sales organization is this. This is a sales organization for intercompany billing. Specify the sales organization of the sales area to which delivering plan is assigned. The system uses data, for example customer data, from the delivering sales area to process the intercompany transactions. This makes sense. This explains everything. This is a sales organization which is supposed to be assigned to the delivering plant. Remember, I was telling you this sales organization is supposed to be assigned to Dallas plant, and the reason why we need this sales organization is to use the customer data from the sales organization so that we can create the intercompany billing. So although we have assigned the customer data over here, let me show you one more thing. Internal company data we've already assigned to New York sales organization. billing, intercompany billing, go down. We have already assigned the intercompany customer 500015 to the sales organization to represent the sales organization, but we have forgotten to create this customer code under the sales organization for Dallas, because although this internal customer represents the sales organization NY and we have already created for sales organization NY, it must also be created for sales organization Dallas, because since sales organization Dallas is the one who is going to sell on behalf of plant Dallas, the sales data for this internal customer should be maintained in the sales area data for this customer, right? Only then it will use the data, sales data from this customer and this sales organization to create the intercompany billing. So we have missed this step. That's what is trying to explain. So that's why in this table this sales organization field is left empty over here, and therefore the intercompany customer 50015 is not even populated here. This is the intercompany customer number for the billing, intercompany billing. So this is left blank as well. So once we fix this customization, we'll come and have a look at this table to see whether it's updated. Okay, let's close it for now. This is the reason we are hitting the problem. Sales organization is not defined when we try to create a intercompany billing. Now let's continue with whatever we were doing. So you need to create a sales organization. Step 1, assign the sales organization to company code. Test 2, assignment, go to sales organization, here go to Dallas, and I've already assigned it to company code test 2, because we are creating this Dallas sales organization for this company code and not for Sun company code, bear in mind. So don't assign the wrong company code, you must assign the test 2 company code. Go out. Then the next one is assign distribution channel to sales organization. Please do it. The distribution channel RE has been assigned to sales organization Dallas. We can make use of the same retail distribution channel, because distribution channel can be assigned to more than one sales organization, so not a problem. Same thing goes to division assignment, do that as well. LP. So we have completed this. Now we have to create a sales area, create a sales area without which the sales area creation will not be complete. RE and LP, assign it, click new, and then enter Dallas RE and LP. So we have created a sales area. If you don't create a sales area here, the sales area will not be available for you when you create a customer. Go to XT01. If you don't create a sales area over there, it will not be available here. So for any reason, if you don't find your sales organization here, the sales area here, just go and check this part here. It has to be set up here. Only then will appear in all sales areas, so that you can create a customer. Otherwise you will receive a message saying sales area is not defined yet, because you have not set it up here. Okay, now assign sales organization to plant. That is also a required step, because this is a step where we're going to assign or associate Dallas sales organization with plant Dallas. Let's do that now. Where do we do it? Over here. Assign it, I've already assigned. See, click new entries and assign something like this. I have assigned sales organization Dallas and distribution channel retail to plant Dallas. Don't get confused with the same sales organization and same plant. It's actually two different things, although they're using the same code. Then what else? Sales organization to plant, set up common distribution channel and set up common division. Okay, if we do not set up these two, which I'm going to show now, over here, sales, distribution, master data, these two steps refers to these two steps over here. If we do not set up these two, when you want to create a customer master for the sales organization, if we go here, you will see empty here. You will not see any values in these two columns, which is wrong. You have to specify common distribution channel and common division using these two steps so that you can see some values here. If for whatever reason you cannot see some value here for your sales organization, just come and complete this part. So what you have to do, just go here, go to Dallas and enter RE and RE here, because I've already explained what is this about. You are specifying common distribution channel so that you set up the customer master data for that common shared distribution channel, so that all your different distribution channel can use the same customer master data. Alright, same thing goes to divisions. Dallas, assign LP and LP. If you want to understand more about this common shared distribution channel, you need to go to our earlier topic here, in which I have already assigned creating customer master sales view. In this topic I am explaining in detail how and why we need the common distribution channel and division. Let's go back. So we have completed. Now we can come and create our the intercompany customer here, 500015. Under this sales organization Dallas. Let's go and create it. Actually I have already created it. We just have to enter 500015. How many zeros are they? I think one extra zero. Delete one. So if I want to create it now, you see it's already created because I already created it. But you need to enter something like this: test to Dallas sales organization, distribution channel RE and LP. So we are creating or extending the sales area data for this internal customer code for this sales organization. So since I already created, just go and see what I have done. No. Yes, this is what I have created. Just save it. Nothing much you need to enter. So we have completed this part now. We have already created internal customer, or we have already extended internal customer, that's the right word to use, to sales organization Dallas under company code test 2. But by creating it, it doesn't mean that our tables will be updated now, because we have already created a delivery at the time when that extension was not done. That let me just get the delivery document. We created a delivery when we did not create the sales organization and extended an internal customer to the sales organization. So therefore, even though we go and create it now, it will not automatically update our table, because this delivery document is already created. So that's why it's still empty. So what we need to do, just cancel the delivery document and recreate, and that will solve the problem. how to cancel it. There is no option here. Let me go to change. Yes, I want to cancel this. Cancel, yes. Choose cancel and press save, or else I think there should be a menu here as well to cancel it. Come here, go to billing document, cancel. Can only cancel billing documents. Oh, this is delivery. Oh, sorry, yeah, we need to cancel delivery. Sorry, what I mean is that we need to cancel the delivery, but we have already created a billing once. So let me go and see. Let me go to the outbound delivery first. Shipping and transportation, outbound delivery, display, and go to sales document flow. I think we need to cancel this billing first, because there's already been a billing for that outbound delivery, so we will not be able to cancel the outbound delivery unless we cancel billing document as well. So let's cancel the billing document. Go to cancel. Yes, cancel it, save it. So it's cancel. What I'm doing is that I'm cancelling this. Alright, then I will cancel the outbound delivery, then I will recreate outbound delivery and redo this billing. Okay, then we do the fifth step. Still cancelling. Alright, document 36103 has been saved, which means it has been cancelled. Let me just refresh this. There's no way to refresh. Let's go back. There should be a cancellation document associated with that. Not cleared. Let me go to that billing document, see if it's cancelled. Should have been cancelled. We can go to sales document from here too. Go to sales document flow. There, over here, it has been cancelled now. So good, now we can cancel the outbound delivery. Where is the outbound delivery? This is the one. Let me copy that number and go to outbound delivery cancellation, display change, single document, collected document. There is no option to cancel. There should be an option to cancel. Change. Delete. There's a delete option. Not sure whether that is equivalent to cancellation. Okay, I found the way how to cancel a delivery document. It is not available here. You need to go to post goods issue, logistics, sales distribution, shipping, transportation, post goods issue, cancellation and reversal, and our delivery document is defaulted here. Let us execute it. Yes, reverse, allocate and reverse. You want to reverse the goods issue? Yes. See, is posting only possible in 2005. Okay, I need to change the reversal date here. Let me see how to change the date. Probably I can use this shipping point, local date for let me change the date to 2006 and 05. This is a goods movement date, because MMP posting period open is this period, so that's why we received that error message just now. So once you okay that, the reversal date has been changed accordingly to 2006, and I hope it will be successful this time. Do you want to reverse? Yes. Oh, I'm getting a SQL error. Let me see what is this. Oops. Let me just close all the stuffs. Probably that's the reason. Let me try one more time. Before that, let me check whether the reversal has been successful. Go to VL03N to display, and click on sales document flow. Most probably wasn't successful because we get a SQL error, which is a database error. The whole transaction would have been rolled up. Let me try my best. It's not saved yet. Yeah, the cancellation is not successful yet. Let me try one more time. Define the date first. 6 and 5. Click OK. Reverse it. Yes. Alright. Goods issue for delivery A001499 cancelled. No problems have been logged. Thank God. So let's go and check. Let's go and check the delivery document flow. VL09N. Oh, sorry, not that. VL03N. Go to sales flow. Yeah, reversal. This is the one. It has been reversed. Alright, RE stands for reversal of goods delivery. It has been reversed. Now we should be able to create a fresh delivery and see whether those fields, the required fields, are populated. Let me copy the sales order, because we need to create a delivery document based on the sales order. that. Now go to outbound delivery, create single document with reference to sales order. Shipping point is, I can't recall. It should be Dallas Airport. Dallas Airport, yes, that's right. Let's enter. No delivery 11 items. Why is it so? Already delivered. Let me just check. Go to the sales order, shipping, overall status completed, fully delivered. Let me just delete the delivery document now. Probably that's the reason. The delivery document has to be deleted because we just reversed the goods issue, but the delivery document is still intact. So let us do that now. Shipping, transportation, delivery document, change. Delivery document is still there. Okay, picking. I need to delete this. Let me delete. Choose delete. Yes. Check the log. There's a warning. Let me just check. Billing operation already exists. The cancel billing document already exists. We delete item, it will be difficult to reconcile business operation with this to creation depending on systems testings. You can set the delivery quantity item to 0. Okay, this is a good tip. Instead of deleting, what this message is saying is that we have a cancel billing document that is correct, which is tied to this delivery document because we cancel a billing document. If we delete this billing document, then the cancel billing document will become an orphan, so there will not be any link. So instead of that, we can actually make the delivered quantity 0, picking quantity 0 as well. Oh, pick quantity is larger. Okay, let me just cancel this. I know how to handle this. Let's make the picking quantity 0 first and delivery quantity 0 as well, and press save. Alright, now let me check our sales order to see whether the delivery status is not delivered. Delivery status partially delivered, being processed. Okay, that's good. Now we will be able to create a fresh delivery. Change outbound delivery. This one close. Create with reference to sales order. DA, yes, press enter. Yes, this is good. Check the notes in the log. Let me go to the log. Over here, error log. Item 10 upon the list, not back order. All are green messages, so no need to worry. Let's go to picked quantity 5 and goods movement data. Actual goods movement should be 28/05/2006. and press save. The delivery document has been saved. Now let us check like AP delivery, sales organization is still empty. This is strange. VL03N. Probably we need to create a fresh sales organization then. I mean fresh sales order, because this still doesn't accept. So just hang on a second. Okay, now let us create a fresh sales order, because it doesn't work. I thought we can reverse the delivery and then recreate one, but looks like there is a problem. Let us create a fresh delivery instead. AEBO, and let me just open the sales order, the earlier sales order in the site, so that we can just copy those stuffs. NYRELP, just change this to NYRELP, press enter, just copy, paste. Now material, follow the same, 5 units, and only thing we need to change here is the plant, which is Dallas, PALL, press enter. This is okay. Mandatory PI01 is missing. Okay, we know what to do. This is because of the sales header, document currency, ASD, press enter again. Okay, this error you can ignore. Just check the condition, is everything alright. PI01 is 35, because $7, and the profit margin will be $20. So save it, edit, Incoterms, complete data, FOB, free on board, terms of payment immediate, execute, freight is determined, cross weight 20 and 5, loading date is delivery date, goods issue date should be 2006 and 5. Let me just check, double check here. Material, schedule and CP, scheduling, over here, schedule lines, and double click here, delivery date is this, just copy this loading date. Transfer planning date. Same thing. Okay, document is complete. Now we can save. So we copy this. Now we'll try to create a delivery, but before that we need to remove the delivery block. Go to VA02 and remove this, save it, otherwise we will hit an error. So now we go to logistics, sales distributions, the shipping transportation, outbound delivery, create with reference to sales order, DA, press enter. New schedule line due for delivery up to the selected date. We know this. There's something to do with the date. Let me just check. Enter 19. No. Let me just check the scheduling line. VA03 shipping schedule line. Schedule lines, delivery date, order quantity, confirm quantity is 0. Why is it 0? This is the reason we are not able to create the outbound delivery. We need to confirm, to make sure the confirm quantity is greater than 0. Let me check the availability of stock. M03 because we haven't changed Dallas plant. What if we have changed? So we go here, storage location, Dallas plant, common, we have 100 here. So let me just check what is the problem here. Go to change let me enter the confirm quantity 5. Let me just enter again, shipping, schedule line, go to schedule lines, confirm quantity 5. Okay, now let me just check if this is good to go. Go to outbound delivery, press 20. Now it is okay. Okay, go to picked quantity 5 and then goods movement will be 20/05/2006 and Press save. Delivery document has been saved. Let me go to KP. And check whether the sales organization is populated. Still not populated. Let me check. If the sales order has been the customer master has been created properly. For Dallas 500015, it has been created. Let me just check. Okay, I have fixed this problem because I created delivery document just now, this delivery document, and I went to the table 16 LIKP. It's the latest delivery document I created, and I go down here. I can see my sales organization, distribution channel, and division all are populated, and my intercompany customer number is also populated, which is really good. So if you F1 here, once again, this is a sales organization for the intercompany building. Specify the sales organization of the sales area to which the delivering plan is assigned, which means it refers to this delivering plan is assigned to this sales organization, so therefore this statement refers to that. And the system uses data, the customer data, for example, from the delivering sales area to process the intercompany billing transactions. So the system will use the customer data from this sales organization, the intercompany customer data from this sales organization, to process the intercompany billing transaction. This statement refers to this one, XD0315. This is the one we created. So this is sales area data. This is internal company number. This is our sales organization to which our delivering plan is assigned to. So the system will use the data from here to process the intercompany billing transaction. That's what this statement is trying to say. So I'm going to show you how I fix the problem. The problem lies here in this screen, which is over here. Sales distribution, billing, intercompany billing, assigned organizational units by plant. We have been here before in part 1, but the mistake we did is, let me show you. I have assigned New York sales organization to Dallas plant. So this is wrong. Actually, we should assign the Dallas sales organization itself to plant Dallas. This looks like a redundant step because we have already assigned Dallas sales organization to Dallas plant over here. Let me show you. That's one of the initial thing that we do. Enterprise assignment, assign sales organization distribution, go to Dallas, and you can see an entry there for Dallas plant for sure. we have already assigned it here, but this is for not for intercompany purposes. For intercompany purposes, we need to assign one more time under this transaction here. It is a bit confusing, but this was the problem. I would have thought that we need to assign the New York sales organization to actually say that New York sales organization is authorized to deliver goods from plant Dallas, but unfortunately that's not the proper understanding. The proper understanding is the same sales organization Dallas should be assigned to plant Dallas in this step here, in addition to the earlier assignment here under the enterprise structure. In addition to this, you need to assign this as well. The reason why we need to assign the same sales organization again to this plant is because using this customization step, I can actually assign a sales organization which does not belong to company code test 2, an external sales organization, probably another third company code. So by assigning a sales organization belonging to another third company code, I can actually tell the system that the customer data from the third company code can be used for this intercompany billing. So that is the reason they have this additional step here in addition to the assignment over here. So this means that not necessarily this Dallas sales organization must belong to test 2. I can actually assign another sales organization which does not belong to Sun or test 2, it probably belongs to test 3, to plant Dallas under this option here, not here, over here, so that the customer data, internal customer data information can be extracted from that sales organization. It is just an extra flexibility. So this has created a lot of confusion. So this assignment here is purely to tell the system where to look for the sales area data for the internal customer code, as simple as that. So we are telling the system that for the internal customer code 500015, please look for the sales area data in this sales organization. Alright, let me just show you the help explanation here. So read this statement here. Using the specification which make here, the delivering plan, in our case is Dallas, creates an intercompany invoice together with the internal customer number of the sales organization which placed the order. So that's the whole purpose of it. After assigning that, let me close all these things. When I went and create a sales order and process delivery, the fields over here are successfully populated. Which is over here. So let us create one more sales order so that we can proceed with our topic. Changes to NY, press enter. Let me just copy from the earlier sales orders. It's the last sales order that I created. Paste it here, paste it here, and copy this 5 units. Remove the delivery block. Make sure you enter Dallas. Go to header. Enter USD here. Press enter. That's good. Now you can save. We're going to show the incompletion log. Key in them. FOB free on board. Complete terms of payment. Immediate. Complete. Gross weight 20 and net weight 5. Loading date should copy all the same date. So now document is complete. Make sure the plant is Dallas. Save it. Okay, this is created now. Go to VL01 to create one delivery. Press enter. This is already there. Sales order. No schedule lines. Just go and check the confirm quantity. VA02. Press enter. Sorry, go here, double click, go to shipping schedule line, sorry, enter 5, press save, then copy, close this, go to VL01 again, VL01, press enter. Okay, now good. Enter the pick quantity 5, goods movement, enter 20/05/2006, then save. Okay, we have this delivery document created. Let's go and check the LIKP table. Those fields must be populated, otherwise we cannot create intercompany billing. Yes, they are populated. The intercompany code is also populated. Now let us proceed with our first billing, this billing here, customer billing. Bear in mind that you cannot create the interbilling document before you bill the customer. So the billing the customer should be the first step before we go to here. Okay, let's bill the customer now. VF01, enter our billing document which is already defaulted. Now press enter. Incorrect. Let us check what is the problem. Goods issue has not been posted. Oh, okay. Let's go and post the goods issue. We can post the goods issue here itself by going to change and post goods issue, and the other way to post goods issue is using the menu here. This is actually more appropriate way because you can also see the cancelling is here. Go there and press enter, and you come back to the same delivery document, so it's the same thing. Press goods issue, alright. Now give it some time to save. Let's display. Okay, done. Now we go and bill now. Uh-oh, I quitted. Let me log in. Uh-oh, just hang on a second. Okay, I've logged in. Let me create one more session. So now let me go to what we call billing. Oops, let me go to that delivery document, VA03. NY. This is the last delivery document, sales order, and we go and take the delivery document based on the sales order. It will be shown here. This is our delivery document. Copy that, go to VF01, enter. Okay, this is F2. F2 billing meaning is billing that goes to customer. An invoice goes to customer. Save. The system automatically will propose the F2 billing which goes to customer when you create the billing for the first time from the delivery. The second time you create, the system will actually create a intercompany billing document. Let me show you. This document has been created. Now I'm going to create a second billing from the same delivery document. This time the system knows that it has to create the intercompany billing. Let me just press enter. No billing document generated. See log. Why is it so? Material data not fully maintained. It's not the earlier error, this is a different error. Material master data. Oh, I know. We haven't extended the material to this sales organization yet. Go to MM01. This is a simple error. 1247. Organization. Click organization levels. Sales organization general plant. Click OK. You need to extend it to Dallas plant. LP. RE does not exist. Sales organization. It's not possible. Oh, sorry, sales organization should be Dallas. I thought it's a distribution channel. Distribution channel should be RE. Press enter. Now we need to enter the availability check, individual requirement, and just press loading group. Just enter is in green. Then go to this tab, sales organization. So far so good. Then just press enter. So we have extended 1247 for Dallas sales organization. The system is throwing this error because now it's creating the intercompany billing document based on the Dallas sales organization. Alright, it's good to go now. Let's try it again. Go back. VF01. Oops, I forgot the billing document again. VL03N. Yeah, this is the one. Copy it, paste it, press enter. Yes, this time we have succeeded, but there is a pricing error. Let's check the pricing error. Highlight this and click the conditions. What is the pricing error is all about? It's not a serious pricing error, it's just a yellow pricing error. Just check it out. What is the problem? Amount $11. I don't know what is this message. Inactive. Why is it inactive? Let me just activate it. Oh, mandatory condition MWST is missing. We can check that in the log as well. There's a tax condition MWST, doesn't matter. Let me just try to save. Can you see this? The intercompany customer 500015 has been loaded. So this is great, right? So intercompany 500015 is loaded for this. The billing document that we created for this is for different customer. Let me just show you that. We go to VL03N, go to sales flow. This outbound delivery, this invoice we created. If we go to this invoice, the customer is 50002. So this is the customer number for the external customer. Just enter it here. Customer number is better now. So now when we create the intercompany billing, says intercompany billing, it is taking the intercompany number that we assign in this step here. Go to SPRO, go here, billing, intercompany billing, define internal customer number by sales organization. The system is taking this because we have assigned this internal customer number for this sales organization. So this internal customer number is representing this guy here. Alright, let's go and save it. I'm going to save. It is saved. The pricing error is still there. Let me see what kind of error it will give. So let me just check accounting. So it is posted to accounting. So it's not issued to accounting yet because of the pricing error. We need to fix the accounting error, the pricing error, in order to release the accounting. It's not released yet. Okay, let's do something to fix this. Let's go in here. Let me check the conditions. Okay, now MWST is missing. Okay, let me fix this now. The MWST is not copied for some reason, so we can add it manually here. It's not shown here. Let me check the pricing condition. me check in the sales order first whether it has been copied there properly, because the conditions will be created in the sales order itself. So I'm just trying to check whether the sales order is correct and the condition is maintained there. MWST is maintained here. Yes, it is here. Condition record has been found. Condition record has let me just check departure country GB. US to GB. Okay, now let me just check the other one, this document here, the invoice document that we sent to the customer. Let me just check what is the status for this. For this also it has been found. Okay, because the payer is from GB, I believe, Great Britain. Let me just check. XD03. The country is GB. Okay, what is the country of our internal customer? It is US. So let me just check. Let me close this as well. Go to sales order. Let me just check the condition record, how it found. Master data, conditions, display, MWST, departure country, destination country, US to GB has been maintained. US to US is not maintained because our internal company code is 500015, is destination country is US. Let me show you here. US. So US, selling to US company code, there must be a tax rate maintained. Let me just check. No condition record exists. This is the problem. The condition record cannot be determined for the intercompany billing, whereas for the the direct sales that we made to this customer, the MWST has been determined because this company belong to GB, Great Britain, and our company belong to US. So there is a tax rate maintained for this combination GB, which you can see here, which is 0%. So I'm going to maintain similar one for US. I'm going to create and destination country US, amount 0, and save it. Why? Tax code. Let me just check how to maintain this. press enter. Sorry, no, display first. US to GB, execute. Tax code is 0. Let me just copy this, paste it here. Now I can create the same. Go back, US, choose create. Now for destination country I need to enter US, amount 0. Let me just check what else I need to enter. Unit, percentage, then valid from is current. Probably enter 2000, valid for a longer day and forever. And then tax will be S0, tax code. Now save. Condition record has been saved. Let me display US. Okay, it is saved. Now let me go and create the billing document now. Display first. This is our intercompany billing document. Now change, go to issue, release to accounting. Still there is a pricing error. Let me go to pricing. I need to update. No, I need to go to analysis. MWST. Yes, MWST is access not executed. I need to redetermine, I think. So let's update, carry out new pricing. MWST is still missing. Why is it so? Foreign trade data incomplete for item 10. So how do I maintain incomplete data? Log go to revenue account determination. Pricing error still missing. Okay, I found an alternative. Instead of fighting with the tax code problem, which is actually a finance topic, I have just changed the country of this internal customer to US, so that I'm going to change the internal customer to actually GB, so that we can process the intercompany billing. I'm going to change to GB and save it, because as long as the customer belongs to country GB, we are able to create billing data, right? So I'm going to follow GB as well. Now I'm going to recreate the billing document, VL03N. This is our delivery document. Close it. Now we go to VF01, enter, press enter. So there's no error. Let's go and see whether the MWST has been determined. Yes, it is determined because we have changed our internal customer 500015 as a Great Britain customer. Alright, so for Great Britain we have a condition already been set up here where tax rate will be 0. So now let us press save, but I'm seeing another error here, foreign trade data incomplete. So how to fix this foreign trade data? Let's go to header and come here, foreign trade data, just press set and check the log. Foreign trade data is complete, so it's good. Now try to save. Document has been generated, no accounting document generated. So let us check why. No error log created. In that case, why our accounting document is not generated? Let's go on issue manually, release to accounting, default tax jurisdiction.